Sentence parts and missing subjects, Part 2. A very common error with Spanish-speaking learners of English is to omit the subject. This is understandable because in Spanish the subject often is not needed. It's implied by the conjugation of the verb. However, in English, a subject must always be present. Here's an example of a missing subject. John and Mary worked all day on the project, were very tired when arrived home. Here's the correction. John and Mary worked all day on the project. They were very tired when they arrived home. Notice that the second sentence is missing a main subject and also a subject of the clause. It's important to remember whenever you use words like when, because, although, etc., you have to put another subject. Take a minute to read this paragraph. What do you notice? All the sentences have a subject, but the subject John is repeated 3 times in the same paragraph. This kind of repetition is not considered good English. But each sentence has to have a subject, so we can replace the noun with the pronoun. In this case, John is replaced by he in the second 2 instances of the word. Remember that there are pronouns for masculine, feminine, plural, and neuter. For example, if we have introduced the subject Mary previously, we can substitute she for later appearances. John and Mary would be referred to as they in later appearances. John and I would be referred to as we. An object such as the chair would be referred to as it. Let's summarize. Spanish-speaking learners of English often omit the subject. Review every sentence you write to make sure it has a subject. Whenever you use words like when, because, although, etc., you have to put another subject after it. When we are referring to the same subject several times in a paragraph, we substitute a pronoun each time after the first one. Subject pronouns include he, she, it, we, and they. Now go to Moodle and do the questions there. Thank you.